Hey guys, how you all doing? Hope you guys are all doing well. I wanted to continue with the last video I made yesterday, but honestly, it will not help you much because we know we are overloaded with the truth. I'm going to give you more solutions, guys, so that you can get away from this parasitic alien machine, black goo, or entity that. Electronic fence that we have all around us, the matrix. Without money we cannot move around, right? So at least this health related video will make sure that we don't have to pay any health insurance, and we can definitely live remotely, because one concern with us is with regards to our health. But I can assure you 100%, guys, once you are done with this video, you will have so much self confidence in yourself that you will be able to live offline, off grid. And this is especially important for people in USA and Canada and America in general, because that is the core of the dark forces, guys. That is where the bad aliens are controlling entire human race. So I believe unless Americans are free, there is no hope for the world because they are controlling America like anything. So many Americans should just walk away. Once they walk away, they will start losing their power, and we will start gaining power, because all the BS like insurance, credit card, debit card, ATM, cryptocurrency, internet, e-commerce, all digital currency, vaccination, all the BS have come from Western world, especially now it is the center, United States of America. So that country needs to be free, and I have found incredible herbs that can really turn your life upside down without ever visiting any hospital. But those information have been so much hidden that many of us are not aware. So this video will really, I can assure you, will really give you power that you deserve back into your hands. Because being a conspiracy, being in truth movements is just words, guys. You can watch hundreds of videos, it doesn't mean anything unless you do something with your hands and leg, and it is more a spiritual battle than material. So before I continue with the health, I forgot to mention a very critical point with regards to black goo. And I want to read this paragraph from the book of Alec Newald, The Co-Evolution. So, the end time, when this all comes and when this is going to be over, there is going to be huge hurricane and tornado and cyclone wherever you are, guys. That is the sign it's all up. And I really believe that huge hurricanes and tornadoes could begin by this year and next year. So expect heavy rains, flooding, etc. So that is the sign that the battle has begun. So this is what she is saying, Xena. She is an alien hybrid. Xena did have some encouraging news. She suggested that the Force would soon feel the weight of an invasion from above, and there would be battles fought at sea and underwater and also in the skies high above. Most would know little about these events except those caught within the byproduct of the battle. By this, she meant that Earth would experience storms of gathering intensity, and where these storms would once have been confined to vortex point of our globe, Atlantic, Bermuda, and Southeast Japan, they would now appear randomly all over the planet. She did not say who or what might be behind these battles or be the cause of them. However, when the way is clear and some portion of the fear has been removed, we may indeed see other races of the cosmos openly visiting and interacting with us here on Earth. This is very, very critical to understand. You will see huge storms all around you, guys. So don't panic. I forgot to, because that is the battle between the dark and the light. So you can see more hurricanes and cyclone all over the world. Your fingerprint itself has this twister. So twisting things, this is the Taurus force field. Your thumb impression has it. All your finger has it. This signifies change, guys. People in India can look into your thumb impression and predict your future and past, because our life is a Taurus force field like this. It is all, but honestly, this is actually a kindergarten stuff, guys. This they don't teach you in schools, but even in conspiracy and truth and physics alternative physicist movement, this is all kindergarten for this being, guys. This is even aliens are not able to, as I have been saying 100 times, this is not a thing that needs, that can be taken lightly, guys. This will completely outfox you like it did to me. It has. I was so happy that finally I got rid of it. Now I know where it was hiding. It totally, outfoxed me. It will always try to win, guys. We will always, it will make sure that we always lose. So now I know where this guy is. So he has not gone anywhere but gotten more powerful, and that is what aliens are saying. That is only 10 to 20%. What's beneath planet Earth, we are not been exposed to. If the whole black goo thing comes, then it is, they even aliens say that they won't be able to do much for the people of Earth. So what I am telling you is the experience of the black goo that I feel on an early state, but this has a liquid form also, which is buried deep inside planet Earth, and once we are exposed to that, it is like it's impossible to get out at this moment. So we need to make sure that our health is very very critical in all this, guys. So we don't want to be this guys conspiracy. And I'm sorry, some of my viewers have said my accent, they are not able to understand my accent. I'm sorry, guys, but I cannot do much about my accent, because my native language is not English. But I will try to include as many pictures as possible, and most of my viewers are already smart, so they will easily figure it out. If you are a regular viewer of my channel, you don't need much to figure things out, but still I will use lot of images, and you don't need much, guys, because if you are in this channel, you are already very smart guy. So you can see this what they think about us. This powerless and much mocked group is prized by the Illuminati because their wild ravings often contain useful ideas. While you control this group, you may have one extra plot card in your hand at all times. Power zero. It's embarrassing, guys. They know we are powerless. 911 was an inside job for last 20 years. What have we done? Zero. Nothing. All the villains, all the enemies of humanity are roaming free in United States of America. Nothing has been done. Over 20 years, guys. They know we are useless because we only rabble blabble online. We don't have the, because there is an agenda. If you see 90% of the most of the shills, and they will not give you solutions to walk away from this BS called pharma, this matrix. You can save so much money. I know you in US, half of the, you are one health crisis away from bankruptcy. Imagine if Americans are free and they are able to save a lot of money, they could walk away, and then immediately the economy will collapse, guys. We need that, but it should not hurt the homeless people and poor Americans. They should be saved. They are like, they are also victims of like rest of the world, but America is very very core, guys. I cannot stress this enough. All these, one world agenda, NWO, who is based in New York, United Nations office. So we need the American, like that thing. The aliens should be destroyed, but American people needs to be empowered. Exactly like coronavirus, we know it's a scandemic, it's a fake hoax, but we are powerless, guys. That is why I'm going to give you all the flat earthers. Some of the flat earthers, I believe in realm, but this flat earth, they have smartly skews the thinking. You cannot, if you are a flat earthers, you are not supposed to talk about aliens or other dimension beings. You are only supposed to talk what is written in Bible. But when it comes to eclipse, they take the cue from Vedas, where Rahu is mentioned. Without Rahu, they cannot mentioned about, they cannot solve the problem of eclipses, solar, lunar, and solar eclipse. So they are not allowing other, because everything will collapse. They are on a very thin ice, guys. All Eric Dubé, Jiranism. I respect. I am subscribed to all their channels. Jiranism, Rob Sipka, they are the real deal. Real ones. Others are lot of fake flat earthers, lot of fake crisis actor driven flat earth conference. They will never invite Jiranism, Rob Sipka, or Eric Dubois in any of these conferences. We know their psychological games, right? So I am not against flat earth, but we need to no flat earthers are like Devin Madge. He took thousands of dollars, but he couldn't step into Antarctica. He couldn't see the boundary of Antarctica. So I am having my eyes all over, guys. So don't think that I don't know what's happening in flat earth. It's totally infiltrated now by dark forces. So it is not easy to come up. They are extremely intelligent. Those who are ruling humanity, they are aliens. They are Venusians, guys. They will eat flat earthers for breakfast. I can prove it. I will tell you any because it is very difficult to infiltrate schools in America and change the syllabus. I challenge all the flat earthers. If you are a true flat earthers, go to any African country and change the syllabus of one school. I have looked, guys. No school in Africa has accepted flat earth. Can you believe it? This is embarrassing. All these flat earthers, they. If you are so proud, then why don't you go to Africa? You know, have you seen the look of this school? You just give $100 and you think these people will accept a flat earth. So let's teach Africans in Tanzania, in Uganda, in Zimbabwe, that earth is not a globe, but it is. But no schools in entire African continent like 20 to 30 million, because this is the place where you require the least amount of funding and least amount of programming from United States. There is no TV, no internet. Why don't you travel in these schools and teach students flat earth? Now, as far as I have googled and researched, there has never been a news in Africa that a school has invited Eric Dubé, Jiranism, Rob Sipka to flat earth, and they have decided that all these kids will now accept earth as flat, and never, zero. Why, guys? I'm not mocking because I am also a not flat earth as they say. It is become very crude and like excused word, guys. I want to be independent. This is, but I'm very much sure that what they show as globe is not the shape of earth. But now not this either, because we have no power, guys. Forcing millions of innocent life through gates and 5G. We know these, guys, from past how many years. I am only going to talk about giving power back to your hand, guys. Rest all is bullshit. If you see any conspiracy truth movement, please ask them what is the solution, what is the power you are giving. I'm all people. I'm not trying to put down anyone, guys. But what I'm trying to say is, it's enough of truth. We know these people will be around doing some other agenda. We need power, guys. Period. We don't need truth. We know 911 was an inside job 20 years ago. Not even a single person who is responsible was put behind, but not a one guy. One. They killed thousands of us. So we need the power, and I'm going to give you so much power. You will not believe it, guys. At least with regards to health, that and your intelligence, and they will not. If you want to stay remote, if you have some money, it is much easier for Americans. They have some, if you have some money, you can easily move away from the system. So you must know this before I begin. What is parts per million, guys? So one parts per million is equivalent to 1 milligram of something per liter of water, or 1 milligram of something per kilogram. So basically 1 ppm you can take it as 1 milligram, but math doesn't take you far, guys. It is just to calculate your how much bill you have to, for the taxpayer, you have to give back to the government. So don't put much intelligence into mathematics. It's useless to suck all your money away. It doesn't help us when we really need it. What we need is more microbiology and physics knowledge. So if you know this ppm, it's just, it doesn't matter, like there is a lot of fear if you increase or decrease the dose. If you take things naturally, it won't kill you like what the big pharma medicines kill. So I'm coming to the one This is the first in a series of giving power back to your hand video, guys. And this is especially for people in North America, my next two videos, but generally for everyone. But this video is specifically for Americans, like North Americans and US and Canadians, etc. Because the core power is there. So I wanted to start with this. You may not even have heard about this tree, guys, Caria glabera, but I can tell you this is the bomb. This one tree can destroy the entire pharma of America and the world, guys. But this information is hidden from the entire human race, especially Americans. I am sure if you are an American, you may have walked across this tree and you may not have even realized the incredible power its nuts has, which you can use it for free and live an healthy life forever. They never told this the power of this nut, guys. They gave you BS after BS after BS, but they never told you the one tree that can really help you. But they never put that in your school curriculum. But before even that, I want to tell you, please, I have been saying this for thousands of times, guys. Please never ever take vitamins. Vitamins are what they are telling. Vitamins in our body is nothing but amino acid chain, guys. It's enzymes. So they are smartly marketing vitamin. It doesn't do shit, guys. And this is coming from a PhD naturopath. He made this website, like, if you were 2007. No person, as far as I know, has interviewed this guy. He is like a blank, a dead person right now. Nobody knows where he is, because he is like 20 years, more than 10 years now, 13 years. But he's been saying this for 20 to 30 years. But no one cares about Robert Thiel PhD, and he has given some incredible information, about vitamins. I have already covered this, but that was removed by YouTube. I don't know how. Even though natural health professionals agree that humans should not try to consume petroleum derivatives or hydrogenated sugars, most seem to overlook this fact when vitamin supplementation is involved. Did you know that the entire vitamin industry is a scam, guys? It is created through petroleum. He is genius if he has a PhD in anything, but he is on the good side. So you will be shocked what actually vitamins are made from. No one wants this information for some reason. Vitamin A carries methanol, benzene, petroleum ester. Vitamin B1, coal tar derivative, natural vitamin analog, and same process chemical. Synthetically produced coal tar derivative, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, with petroleum ester, vitamin B8, phytin hydrolyzed, vitamin B12, BX, coal tar, ethylene. Now, this is so much. These two are so much processed, marketed in US. It is hydrogenated sugar processed with acetone, guys. This is incredibly dangerous for your health. Vitamin D, irradiated animal fat, cattle brains, all solvently extracted. Do you want cattle brain in your body? All shit, guys. Please do not buy vitamins. The total scam. We will go back to nature. I cannot, like, if you Google cashew nut, you get thousands of views. If you Google like almond, if you go any nut, you can Google which is not grown in America and which is only controlled by these multi-billionaire freaks. You will see hundreds of views, 1.5 million. You can type any amount of nut, but if you type this Caria glabera, you will hardly see anything, guys. It's taking some time. My video has been going up and down for a long time, guys. So you can see Caria. You can type pig nut, sweet pig nut. This guy, you can harvesting pig nut, and I will come to this guy. He's the only guy who went to nature and start picking the nuts. But you will not see people going crazy about this incredible nut, guys. This is the only guy harvesting pig nut and sharp, and he eats it, but he doesn't know. Just one time he eats it, but he doesn't know the bomb that he has in his hand that can, totally change his life. So I will really recommend you, if you have any doubt, to watch this revolution of thought one video, harvesting pignut and shago. This is an incredible, but I will come to its content, guys, and please do not embarrass yourself and buy turmeric and moringa. This, the one, alternative herb that has been marketed like crazy is moringa, guys, and that is the native. He's just growing back in my backyard, guys. Nobody cares because they know this doesn't grow in a cold climate. So they smartly, the hashbara, the trolls and the media, the entire moringa, 90% of moringa drugs is controlled by this Israeli Organic India and other companies based in India, but their link directly goes to this Glaxo and other multi-billion dollar companies. So it is good. I am not saying that Moringa is not good. It is good. It is incredible as well. It gives you, but it comes nowhere close to these guys. Caria glabera, sweet pignut, nowhere close. And the thing that I really am pissed is, because this is all control. You still need to give money to the pharma and to the corporate mafia. And our goal is really this: the herb should be incredible. We agree it is, moringa is incredible, etc., but it should be free, it should be abundant, it should be most nutritious, and must kick the ass of big pharma and corporation. We agree this is good, but this doesn't unfortunately fulfill all the criteria because the conspiracy theorists are nutters, right? So we need to tick as many points in our favor as possible, guys. This is rooted through big pharma empire, guys. That is my problem. Please do not buy this. This is our multi-billion dollar companies. Normal people don't get the benefit. They buy this from poor farmers in India for, for tons, and then they market in US for 20 to $30. So the middleman is making millions. The farmer who is growing turmeric, he's as poor as yesterday he was. There is no real. We need to localize the thing, guys. So they want to give Americans, because American dollar is strong from the farthest area of the planet, which is impossible for them to walk through, right? But I am here to tell you it grows. I'm very sure if you are an American, you must have seen this tree and it grows wildly. You can just climb the tree. I will pay you $1 for one nut, guy. You don't know what this nut is capable of, and I will tell you. But before this, I really want to say thank you to this website, Natural Medicine Fact. Whoever, I'm not able to find the creator, but this has been a gift to us in conspiracy. This cuts all the bullshit, guys. I really want you to bookmark it and refer this for any doubt you have. This is one of the greatest website, but if you search it, because this is a plain, you will never find it. You have to, I have been working with Google related products for last close to now 20 years, guys, since Google was created in Stanford University by Sergey Brin and Larry Page. So I used to, like it. I may sound crazy, but when I used to first communicate with these people, like when they started becoming, and I used to get mail now, but now they don't even care, you know. But I knew this that Google will take over the world 20 years ago. So I know a lot of tricks about how Google really works. So I really want you to bookmark. This is very very important website search. So once you type, Caria glabera here, anything you can type almond. You want to find the true nutritious value and its biological activity. You just click any fruit, any vegetable name. This has a database of over 50,000 plants, guys. So once you click, it will give you search based on Google. It is using the Google algorithm. Then you click here, Caria glabera health benefit. Then the boom begins, guys. Caria glabera pignut hickory sweet pignut. You will see the chemicals detector, aluminum ash, barium bro. You forget about this shoot later, guys. This is about the nut. I have researched it enough, but don't be confused. I will come to when I make the entire video, like 2 3 videos, you will understand. This is not a perfect, but this is the best we have. So this is the chemicals. No website will tell you the incredible amount of chemical this the elements this has detected: silicon, silver, sodium, titanium, vanadium, ytterbium, zinc, and all the biological activity is genic, anti-BPH, anti-HIV, anti-PMS, anti-acne, anti-aging, anti-alcoholic, anti-allergic, anti-anxiety. So if you take this, you are sure to get rid of anti-arthritic, anti-asthmatic, antibacterial. This is just the beginning, guys. The fun has just started. Anti-cold. So this data like website list each plant's elements and its biological activity on your body, guys. Antidepressant, but this you will not. I am very sure this may be the first time you are seeing this website, because this is buried deep in the Google search algorithm, guys. You have to use certain keywords, certain shortcuts, like to reach. I'm not trying to be cockish again, guys. I'm just saying how critical information is hidden from humanity. Anti-diabetic, you can go through it. It has hundreds of functions, but this is just the beginning, guys. I will come to it, but what is the number one thing that this has? Zinc, guys. You may have heard about how critical zinc is on the entire planet. Sweet Pignus has the highest amount of zinc, but they will not tell you, because you can just walk outside your door and pick the nut in United States and Canada. It will not cost you anything. It has. I have been promoting lettuce. I will come to it, but it has the highest zinc, and let's see what zinc does to your body. 41 health benefits of zinc. Zinc has so many health benefits that it's impossible to cover them all in one post. This mineral has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, essential for immunity, reproduction, mental health, skin health, cognitive function, and so much more. What is zinc? Zinc is required for the catalytic activity of more than 300 enzymes involved in synthesis and metabolism of carbohydrates, fat, protein, nucleic acid, and other nutrients. Zinc in a diet. See, they will write good. I have searched hundreds, if not thousands, of they are recommended in all inwards for you to go into a supermarket, guys. Either Walmart or Whole Foods in US, or any supermarket near you. You cannot just, that is the conspiracy, guys. Please understand, you are under a gigantic conspiracy. The day you come out of conspiracy will be the day you will be free. This is all a conspiracy, out and out. You have to go to, and I am telling you, you don't have to go and kill animals, because it creates a reverse life current. You will be eaten if you eat something, guys. You don't need to eat non-vegetarian, non-vegetarian food. They will always tell you, but you can just go with the mainstream, because the reason they are telling you the health benefits is because they want you to go to supermarket or go to Amazon. I will come to it, but let's go with what health benefits of zinc are. A deficiency causes severe diarrhea, liver cirrhosis, alcoholism, renal failure. It is effective. You forget about, like, just go with this diarrhea, Wilson disease, possibly effective. Acrodermatitis, heart disease, insulin resistant, diabetes, skin health, depression, appetite, immunity and infection, common cold, ADHD, eyesight, cognition, allergy and asthma, wound, bone health, hair loss, kidney disease. It goes and on, guys. Tent and grow. So with one thing, zinc, you can like kick the big pharma out of your life forever, guys. Liver protection, hearing disorder, oral health, body odor, Alzheimer, male fertility, fatigue. You already know, if you are into conspiracy and truth, what incredible role zinc plays. Chemotherapy, side effect, behavior. It goes and on and on. You can look into self act, but sometimes self act also sounds like mainstream as well. So you have to refer to other sites. What are the health benefits of zinc? Zinc is a trace element that is necessary for healthy immune system. Lack of zinc makes a person more susceptible to disease and illness. So you all, zinc and regulating immune system, treating diarrhea. Zinc effects on learning and memory, common cold, wound healing, zinc and fertility. This is a even much better website. Dr. Axe, 10 powerful zinc benefits. When you hear zinc in regards to your health, you probably think of it as one of the many effective natural cold remedies. But he says how critical, zinc is required for over 300, you know enzyme and hormonal functions, etc. Guys, 300. The most common symptoms associated with zinc deficiency: hair loss, weight gain, infertility, hormonal problemability. Basically it slowly kills you. Top zinc benefit: increases immunity, powerful antioxidant, balances hormone, fight diabetes, maintains heart health, diarrhea, increases fertility, hair, liver health, muscle growth. Let's see what if you type, they will tell you zinc is very critical, but you can only buy the things that you can't grow and you can't find in your street. So that is why I could have just told you zinc, but that doesn't give us the kick. Right? So we kiwi, raspberry, banana, prunes, blackberry. So this doesn't grow in your backyard, guys, easily, or in the street widely. You have to pay dollar. That is what we need to come out, and this is free, guys. This checks all the points. This is free, abundant, most nutritious. This is incredible. You can watch the videos if you are, is pignut hickory edible. The nuts produced by hickory trees are indeed quite edible, though some spices of hickory taste better than others. The nuts can be eaten raw, though some may be bitter. The nuts are edible, so don't worry about eating, something happening. Even then, if you are confused, like, I will give you other herb. If you are, doubtful that no one is promoting this, you can type pignut, guys, here. Nobody is selling this, and you can type zinc supplement. This is crazy and embarrassing as a human race, guys. $24, $26. When it is for free, guys. Top plants containing zinc. This I have researched. It is mostly in the eastern and Canadian place. This has the highest zinc on the entire planet, and it grows. Take this zinc. Let this sink in for a moment, guys. The zinc, which is critical for human growth, grows widely in United States of America, and they are selling it for the tens and twenties, hundreds of dollars. You can say every month if you add it. $10, $16, and this is not even bioavailable. This is bioavailable. You can easily eat it and it will get digested. This is very good zinc which can be easily digested by your body. This is pure chemical shit, guys, to make some person billionaire. Please, we need to get out of Amazon. I will come to the second, this one. Top plants containing magnesium. You already know how incredibly important magnesium. Again, Caria glabera, pignut, hickory, sweet pignut. If you are into conspiracy, you are already going crazy about magnesium, right? Over 300 enzymes require the presence of magnesium to function properly. Magnesium is a critical thing, guys. Magnesium is the fourth most abundant mineral found in our body. It is essential to all living cells and vital for numerous psychological operations. Magnesium is required for production of ATP and the production of DNA, RNA, and proteins. Magnesium is important for bone health, muscle, heart, stabilizing blood, neurotransmitter, neuron. It goes on and on. Kidney decline, constipation, dyspepsia, pregnancy, effective for cardiovascular, bone health, diabetes. So if you take this magnesium naturally, like 90% of the pharma empire will collapse in US, guys. Asthma, because their blood and butter is cancer and heart disease, right? So once you take this magnesium benefits, considering all the important roles that magnesium plays in the body, and the fact that magnesium deficiency is one of the leading nutrient deficiencies, is adult an estimated 80% being deficient in this vital mineral. What is magnesium? Regulating blood pressure, keeping bones strong, balancing nitric oxide, supplementing growth development in babies and children. This is all by design, guys. We are actually asleep. The gold is in our backyard, but we cannot see it. That is the programming of black goo, guys. Magnesium is naturally present in food, type of magnesium sub. They are telling, please do not misunderstand. They are telling you all this so that you can go to Amazon and buy it. You can type, I guarantee you, if you find any person mentioning top food as Pignut, I will quit YouTube. Anyway, I'm going to leave, but I will quit right away, guys. I will delete this video if you show me all these sites slides, are made for you to go to a corporate supermarket and buy the product. There is nothing for you. Magnesium, sesame seeds, spearmint, watermelon, pine nuts, these are all produced. It is not easy to produce. You can produce, make it, but even though it has less magnesium, not the bomb like in Kavera, but most of it you have to go and buy it. Almonds, peanuts, banana, all, they have taken over the big corporations like Monsanto, etc. Have taken over big farms, and they are creating this in big farms, and we are not getting any benefits. Almonds, avocado, dark chocolates, peanut, pumpkin seeds. So that they will not tell you this doesn't have the highest, guys. This is the biggest conspiracy in food, one of the biggest. We have a list of it, but I when I was researching, I was shocked. The one food, because that is the topic we love a lot, right? Being in conspiracy. The one thing, guys, that is laying just in the roadside has the highest amount of magnesium, and this doesn't end like that. Let's see how much they are selling magnesium supplement in Amazon. $12, $25, $10, 20, and the amount of people that are buying, guys. This could, fund our entire conspiracy. A village for all of us to live, and destroy the dark forces. So you can see that is the reason they are telling all the benefits, so that you can buy it online, not because of anything else. The lanthanum, have you heard about what this lanthanum is, guys? I never have. Before I was researching, the school teacher, the society never told me what lanthanum does, because it is an ultra trace mineral, guys. It is only 220 ppm. It has the highest in pignut hickory. Let's see what lanthanum does. Decreasing blood phosphate levels can help keep your bones strong, prevent unsafe buildup of minerals in your body, and may decrease the risk of heart disease and stroke that can result from high phosphate levels. Lanthanum is a natural mineral that works by binding to phosphate in the foods you eat. So this, you can see, it is very critical for heart related issues, but we were never told how important lanthanum is. Let's go top plant containing lithium. It is also having, pignut has 7 ppm. Let's see what lithium does. Lithium health benefits. You may have only read about, Elon Musk lithium ion battery, etc. All this, but this is very critical, guys. Lithium oralate is used to reduce stress. Don't believe in this oralate, etc. This is the real, bioavailable. This is what they want to sell you in Amazon. Lithium is used to reduce stress, relieve pain, and improve memory. It is useful in alcoholism, Alzheimer, anxiety, and ADHD, bipolar, depression. But ADHD is all fake, guys. It is because of lack of deficiency in mineral. You are susceptible to all these made up manganese. It has also 3000. It has top, guys, and I will tell you where he is taking the data from. Manganese helps prevent osteoporosis and inflammation. You can see magnesium is an important trace mineral needed for many vital functions, including nutrient production of digestive enzymes, bone development, and uh, immune system. You can see deficiency symptoms: weak bones, anemia, chronic fatigue, low immunity, hormonal imbalance. Recommended for daily intake. So my point is, guys, we need to, get this stuff free, not going to, you can of course get it from other sources, but this I felt like, is very empowering. I can say you don't have to spend a single penny and get the greatest benefit the planet Mother Earth has to offer. 13 biological function of manganese. ATP production, antioxidant, fat, protein, brain development, immune response, sex hormone production, digestion, bone health. You can go through this, guys. You already know what is the benefit of molybdenum. Pignut has the highest molybdenum, guys. Let's see what molybdenum does. Molybdenum is an essential mineral in the body, just like iron and magnesium. You may not have heard of the trace mineral molybdenum, but it is essential for your health. Though your body only needs tiny amounts, as I said 100 times, guys. These ultra trace minerals can, biologically transmutate alchemy. So if you have molybdenum, other minerals, calcium, phosphorus can be created in your body. So we need more and more ultra trace minerals, guys. Molybdenum, the little known element your body depends on. They never told you. I never heard it in my life in the past 20 to 30 years, guys. It's only when I really started researching and I knew the entire allopathy is a scam, then I came to know. And this is, I am just giving you a reference, guys, but I will tell you some of the website that you will not see even in Google, and those are the real heroes of United States and Canada, real scientists of the Western world that we in Eastern, spiritual and philosophy we need. So why is molybdenum important to your life? For starters, it helps ensure proper function of certain enzyme development processes, including the metabolism of iron, which is a vital nutrient that helps move oxygen throughout the body. You can go through it. I am sure you already know, what many of the uh, ultra trace mineral does for cancer, liver disease, AIDS, yeast, asthma, Lyme disease, acne, eczema, insomnia, lupus. I think 90% of the big pharma we could shut down if people. This is very critical, but lot of information about rubidium. This is a highly spiritual mineral, guys. But once I started researching and I was about to give you, lot of pages are taken down, guys. I don't know what magic they are doing, but I should have reported. But wherever you see rubidium, jump over it, guys. Take it. This is very very. This is the cousin of other shellback, hickory, pignut. Both are same. So you have to take this also. This is also very good. But this also Pignut hickory also has it in some. Pignut hickory 17 parts per million. This is very important, rubidium. But once you type rubidium health benefits, you won't see it, guys, anywhere. You have to go deeper into Dr. Wilson website. He's incredible, but his one of his very critical websites have been taken down from Google. I don't know what happened. So rubidium is very very key to our health, guys. You can see it has a rocking action. Meaning of the rocking pattern, a soul healing pattern. Healing occurs at different levels of a person, body, mind, and soul. The rocking progression is a soul level healing pattern. We need these type of words, guys. Holistic. Just this sounds so dry, lithium, chromium, rubidium. This guy is the only one I have seen, in US who is trying to mix the Eastern and Western philosophy. His words have so much flow, we can connect it easily. I can easily connect it soul level. That is what we are working on in truth movement, etc. This means that the main action or activity is at the soul level. Generally that action is the updating and upgrading of the following minerals at the soul level rather than just the body level. Lithium, chromium, rubidium is very very critical, guys. How tarragon has highest high rubidium, I will come to it. Rubidium is an interesting mineral that in the form found in tarragon helps the body emerge from the four lows pattern. This is very good. Like he connects it each mineral with its spiritual, spiritual counterpart. So it's very good. You already know about silicon, how, but I want to come to the next bomb, like the hydrogen bomb of the, herbal world, which is which grows free. Even like I can say, if you might have some doubt about pignut because nobody is using it and how safe it is, etc. So I will come to one other in the next video, one other herb, because I know, guys, I have thousands of herbs I have researched from Chinese believe you me, guys, from Western herbal, the witch brew to Unani medicine from the Middle East to Indian Ayurveda to the ultimate one, guys. Chinese also I have covered. Siddha medicine. So I will give you one herb from the Siddha, because our life is already in hell, guys. Shit. So there are thousands of things after researching everything, like permutations and combinations, pluses and minuses. I am giving you the topmost, and then you can go with it. So I have made a list. So in my last video I will give you the list of incredible vegetables and herb that will blow your mind away, guys. So I will continue the silicon, a spiritual mineral. This is very very critical, guys. We need spiritual. We don't need a carbon body. Carbon body is fake, guys. That is why it gets rotten and diseased every now and then. The moment I talk like this, and after 1 month, you will have new disease coming out of your body. Silicon has the highest bond. It has much stronger bond than carbon. Carbon is 666, guys. That is the mark of the beast. We don't need to be chipped. We are already born chipped, guys. 6 neutrons, 6 protons, and 6 electrons is called carbon. And I will come to the geometric shape. Its shape is 109 degrees, exact opposite to 19.4 degrees, guys. The degree of the god, but that is very will some other time I will make. But I will tell you that carbon is exact opposite of our spiritual evolution, guys, and silicon is the material that can fuse it. So it's very very important for us. It is an alkaline forming trace mineral, important for every cell of the body, but particularly important for the brain. Psychologically, silicon gives a person more courage, more balance, and more ease in living their life. See how beautifully this guy has written, guy. He is also a doctor, Dr. Lawrence Wilson. But I took so much to find this guy. He is buried deep in search. You will not find him anywhere. This, if I found him 10 years back, but he is also a little bit into other stuff. But you can take some of his very good stuff, and he is trying to bind, mostly Chinese medicine with Eastern knowledge. So one website I can recommend. I will post the link. You can go through all his articles. Some of it may, is opposite to what I am saying, but it's okay. It will, even then it will work for you. So you can read this. It's very spiritually written, I can tell you. So functions: the brain, peripheral nervous system, membranes, connective tissue, happiness and ease. This is related to the effect of silicon on the brain and nervous system. Silicon helps ease all stress in the body, thus contributes to joy and happiness in an important way. Silicon is the happiness mineral. You can see the way the website is laid. This website is like, he's not a web guru, so like 20 years old guy. He updates the article, so you may not find it appealing, with latest HTML5 codes, JavaScript, etc. But the older the website, the better the information, guys. And all the top 10 Google search results are all promoted by Glaxo and all these big pharma, Monsanto, guys. It's all shit. You have to begin with number 5 and number 7 search, like after 60 to 70, and this is buried after 400, guys. So this is very good information. This is this will really clear lot of things, because silicon, I was researching for one thing where we can totally get highest amount of silicon, guys, and we found it. So my next video will be on silicon and other stuff, and that even grows free. You already know the benefit of silver. Pignut has silver, 1 ppm colloidal silver is very good for your health, guys. What does strontium does? It has the highest strontium. Let's see. I never heard about strontium health benefits. They always told about calcium, right? But you need strontium for calcium absorption, right, guys? So who would have thought? Strontium health benefit: increases calcium absorption. It's well known that calcium is vital for strong bones. Yes, but you never told us strontium. That's why we, even after taking calcium, used to get sick. You now know the conspiracy, guys. They will only give you half knowledge. But if you take calcium, but if you don't take strontium, is useless. They know it, guys. That's why they never promote ultra trace minerals. This comes under ultra trace minerals. Plutonium boost bone formation, regulates bone breakdown, improves resistance to fractures, may prevent bone pain, helps restore alkaline state. But these are all they are saying so that they can sell stuff on Amazon. But you are getting it for free, guys. I'm very sure if you are an American, you have seen this and you have walked by, but it can really help you with your bone scan, with your everything, guys, and it's free. So I will, you can just, this is a incredibly important website for us in conspiracy, guys. So we should all thank him, whoever is behind this database. He's taking this from Dr. Deuce Phytochemical. This is from USDA, but USDA is incredible. They have some 60 to 100 billion dollar budget. But you will not, if you go to this website database, you will not make head and tails of anything, guys. It's not laid out like this. It is very very technical by design. So this guy took the pain of making this very nicely. The layout is very nice and you can connect the dot. This is a godsend for conspiracy people who don't want, who want, you need to cure yourself, guys. We don't need savior complex and hero worship. I cannot save you unless you save yours. I'm just giving you, but you have to use your hands and legs, guys. And take this from the plant. You have to do it. No one will save you. This is USDA. If can you believe it? USDA has so much information, but they will never share it. But for their karmic thing, they are giving it. But Dr. Deuce Phytochemical is useless if you go deep, guys. It's very very confusing. So this is, you can look biological activities, ACE. I have already covered it. Anti HIV, anti Lyme. We know HIV is scam, but still, whatever bacteria, etc. Anti aging, anti allergic, anti anxiety. I can just play cards, guys. Antidepressant, then stop. You tell me where to stop. I will stop, and it has some incredible benefit. Anti necropathic. You can tell me anywhere. It is very good, guys. Antiviral, cardioprotective. This is, they will sometimes cardiotoxic potassium, but that is not how you will sometimes see conflicting words. But once you go deep, that doesn't affect you as much. So please don't fungicide. It doesn't mean it is it is not good for your body. Energizer, hypoglycemic, hypotensic, immunosuppressant, immunostimulant, laxative. This is very, you can pesticide. It doesn't mean you can't take it, guys. It has zinc, silver, and aluminum. So I know many people will tell aluminum is bad, but that doesn't work like that, guys. It is alchemy. Your body needs lot of stuff working in different. Even when I am telling you all this, it does totally work in that way. Our body is way too complicated for words to make a sense of it, guys. But even then, if you think nobody is taking that, how risky it could be, but this is the freest thing that I am giving you, guys. You can just go outside your home and pick it up. But even then, if you think this will be the topic of my next video, California nettle, stinging nettle. If you want one herb in your life, which is cheap online even, but it grows widely, it is free, and it has the highest silicon content, guys, and it will take care of, I think, 90% of your health issues. Is California nettle. As I said many times, guys, the one of the greatest herbs, if you are impartial and if you look all over the world, the herbal country is also United States of America and Canada, guys. If that place has the most amazing herbs on planet Earth, it's not India, guys. India has it, but if you look for pound, you can't beat United States even for herb. The greatest herbalist, there are many I know online, but they don't get the media exposure, are from US, guys. They have, but I don't know why it's not being promoted. Why Americans are still buying stuff from turmeric and moringa from India when they have their daddy sitting right there for free, guys. And this is the boom. I have 100, but I would really recommend you to have this. This has all the chemicals you ever wanted in your life, guys. chromium, cobalt, copper. You can see glucose, glutamic acid, glycine, ethanol, and everything. This goes and molybdenum, nickel, oxalic acid, phosphorus. This will not rubidium, silicon. This has the highest silicon, guys. Sodium, titanium, water. You can see, and that is what, like, it's mind blowing amount of silicon. 33 33,300 parts per million. Even Pignut has only 4,000. Rest all, if you take in cucumber and almond and Barcelona nut, even sativa, they all come in thousand. But this goes off the chart, guys. That is why it is so effective in hundreds of diseases. Even in India, it's called Bichu Booty, guys. And this is very, very effective to remove darkness from your life. It saves ache, alopecia, endonine, asthma, estrogen, bacteria of blood, bronchitis, bruise, constipation, dropsy, gout, hair tonic. It goes shampoo. It can do hundreds of things. Tonic, tumor, swelling, stomach ache, sore. It can be used as a shampoo, rheumatism. You can go here, biological activity. This does so many things. It's unbelievable, guys. I will make a separate video, but it is, you can just, it doesn't end, you can say its properties, because it has anti-HDD, it has silicon, guys, anti-EBB, anti-CBB. I have looked into antis everything what CTS etc means, but you can also look anti-Lyme, anti-MS. You can go on and on. Anti-inflammation, anti-aggregant, anti-aging, anti-alcoholic, anti-allergic, anti-anginal. Yeah, guys, my video has become longer, but this I will take it, anti-cancer. These are so many chemicals, guys. So this will be the topic of my next video. As you can see, it never ends. This is also one of the number one herb in India as well, but it grows for free, guys. You can go on and on. Sedative, so spasmus, spermicide, static. This is very, very good. It will really, if it will help you, what I have felt is it will, remove all your upper body, like, lungs issues. It will really help you grow your muscle, etc. So hope you get this. I will make separate video on it. So please, you can, if you can, if you are in a, really need some help, you can take with regards to nutrition, Caria glabera tree. Yeah, guys, thanks.